Hey friends, I'm Catherine, and today I want to sculpt a mug. A mug. I want to sculpt onto a mug. I want to do a sloth. I think it's going to be cute. I was looking at different pictures of sloth videos because I was originally thinking I just wanted to do like your plain profile sloth, but then I saw one of a mama sloth with a baby sloth with its head poking out between her legs from like straight on, and I'm like, that's the one. So so let's do it. I have got three different shades of brown mixed up here. Uh, None of them are particularly dark. I could go darker. Sloths can come in a variety of browns and grays, but these are the colors I'm doing. So there. Um, I've got this one, which is my darkest one, this one that is the middle one, and then this one, which is the lightest one that we're going to use for the face. I'm surprised by how cute it turned out. When I started doing the face, I was a little worried that it wasn't going to turn out. Um, there we go. To mama and a baby. That I just love. Um, if you like it too, definitely let me know. Oh yes, I wanted to mention about the paint. Um, you can absolutely paint on Sculpey with acrylic paint. That was acrylic paint that I was just using. Just either bake the Sculpey first and then paint on it, not like I did here, or paint on it before you bake it, but let the paint fully dry before you then bake it. Either way will work, and you'll end up with some nice, fun, painted on details. The thing about Sculpey is it's three-dimensional, so it turns out, if you can figure it out, these wonderful three-dimensional things. But the thing about paint is it's two-dimensional, which means you can add all kinds of flat accents to it, which actually adds so much depth to anything that you're sculpting. Now I'm just going back through and making sure that I get texture all the way down to the edge of the mug, just because it will bother me if I don't. Go. That side was worse than this side is. This side's pretty good. But that is it. If you liked this, remember to subscribe. If you want to try mug sculpting yourself, I absolutely encourage you to do it. I love sculpting things onto the sides of mugs. It's one of my new favorite things. And the Sculpey just sticks on its own, which is fantastic. And I hope you all enjoyed it. I will put up videos most days, so there's usually something new to come and see. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!